Did you know that nearly 30% of high-net-worth real estate investors are currently using no-doc loans to buy property because their tax returns don't reflect their actual wealth? If you are an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or a retiree with significant assets, the traditional bank's obsession with W-2 income is probably holding you back from your next big move. There is a specific category of non-QM loans known as asset depletion, or DSCR loans, that completely ignore your personal salary during the approval process, instead of looking at how much you make. These lenders look at the cash flow of the property you are buying or the total value of your liquid investment accounts. This means you can secure a mortgage based on the strength of your portfolio or the potential rent of the house rather than a piece of paper from the IRS. While these loans often come with a slightly higher interest rate, the speed and flexibility they offer allow you to close deals that traditional buyers simply can't touch. You must be prepared to provide a larger down payment, usually around 20 to 25%. To prove to the lender that you have skin in the game, stop letting a complicated tax return kill your real estate dreams and start leveraging your assets like a professional investor. Head over to homebuyingrealty.com right now to download our no-doc lender list and find a bank that understands your true net worth today.